We are here in Largo today. We're at the George C. McGough Nature Park, commonly known as Turtle Beach or Turtle Pond, because there are turtles. And there's a lot of turtles, and there's like every different kind of turtle known to mankind here. See? Turtle Pond. And it's also, you know, a different, they have different things here as well. But the primary focus is the turtles. And they have this little feeder that you feed them, this little vending machine that you
put in a quarter.
Yeah, put quarters in. Tell them.
And then you get your food.
Yep, and then you drop it into the pond.
And then Johnny gets all excited.
And the little turtles come over and they eat it, and they come from everywhere. It's like living in a cat farm and opening a can of tuna. They're everywhere. And it's the coolest thing. I've only ever been out here one time, but it's just madly cool. And they call this the Narrows. It's a nature center. Hun Bun, can you get the food? Do you know where the food's at? Is it over there? Or is it?
No, Hun Bun, but I need the quarters.
Oh, did I take the quarter? I thought you. Don't feed the raccoons. Raccoons can bite. Oh, there's a big old turtle over there. There's more than that. You gave me a bunch of them. I just don't. Here they are. Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Florida turtles. We have the alligator snapping turtle, the Florida cooter, the red-eared slider, Florida snapping turtle. That looks relatively fierce. A chicken turtle. Pretty sure we're not going to be too concerned about that one. And Florida softshell turtle. We just saw a big one of these at Eagle Lake Park a few minutes ago. Crazy cool. Look at all the turtles on that bank over there. They must be all full. And a yellow-bellied slider. I guess they call them sliders because they slide into the water. Man, that's a lot of turtles. Let's go over there and check them out. Oh yeah, be real careful there. Maybe set it back there in case it falls. Okay, we got the food. There are some turtles there. See all them turtles on the bank over there?
Oh my.
Bunch of them. Alright, the lovely research assistant is gonna start tossing them in and we will watch them come up. How fun. Yeah, they're all over the place. And there's this little fish in there too doing their deal.
The big ones are over there.
Yeah, they've been fed up. They're all full. I'm gonna go over there and take pictures of them, watch them fall into the water. Trying to escape. Don't hurt me. There's still some hungry ones here. Not like the first time. Yeah, that first time they were everywhere. We saw everything. We saw the big one. There's a soft shell. Right there. See it? Right there.
Oh yeah, I see him.
We just saw a big old hunker over at Eagle Lake Park.
Here they come. Come on, you guys.
Come, little friends. Come to me, little jungle friends. Look at, there's a big one over there. Big, yeah. Oh, you really did feel like a girl.
Excuse me. I was tossing. This is a toss.
That's a toss? Okay. Where's mine? Where's mine? We got every turtle known to mankind here, but we're not seeing them all. We got a chicken turtle. That must be what these guys are. Or they're some kind of sliders. I'm assuming they call them sliders because they slide into the water when they're on a log. But I don't know for sure. It's just a guess.
Did you see that viral video of the turtle on the log and the other one trying to get up?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was funny.
I don't know if it was viral, but it was.
Yeah, I saw it though.
It
Yeah.
was in one of our groups.
I don't know what constitutes viral, but I saw it.
If I saw it and you saw it,
It's viral. I like that. I can live with that designation or distinction, definition. We had a little teeny one. Very neat.
Yeah.
Well, he's kind of smaller than the others. I don't guess he's like, the
Aw.
kind you'd put into an aquarium or anything.
Aw.
See, he's small too.
These are all good ones.
Yeah, they're all that one kind except for the one. Like the sliders or whatever. We can get around that way. I know, it's like this, that's what I want to be. Chicken turtle. Can't be a snapper or an alligator turtle or even a cooter. I got to be a chicken turtle. Great.
Should I save some?
Spill it out there. I think we, got here later in the day, so they're all full. There's some over there that aren't even bothering to come over. They're like, yeah, we're full today. Come back, see us tomorrow when we're hungry. These guys, they must not have been able to get no food during all the feeding frenzies throughout the day. Turn around, bro. The food's over there. Look, there's still a bunch left. Comes some more. Okay, we're gonna go around the left here. We're gonna flank these turtles on the bank. See, there's the turtle pond. And we're gonna see what these turtles will do when we roll up on them. If they're gonna all duck into the water or what. We're gonna try to get as close as we can without scaring them. They probably aren't too, oh, that's cool. They're probably not too giddy because, they are. Look at them, look at them. They're jumping in like crazy. I was going to mistakenly say that they're not as giddy as the ones in the wild, but they definitely appear to be. Oh, I need to get a picture of that. There's a raccoon that just rolled up on us. That's odd behavior in the middle of the day. They get fed. Be careful. Okay, these things have been sliding off. Look. The closer I get, the more they slide off. That one can't touch the turtles. I don't know how you could. Quicker than heck. This guy must be drunk or something. He don't want to move. Actually, give me a picture of you, Bill. You don't have to go anywhere. I'm not doing it. You see, there was probably 15 or 20 of them in the bank there. Very neat, very neat. This is the island where the house was. Huh?
How do I pause it?
Pause button. So now we've seen all of Turtle Beach. We've gone around the entire Turtle.
No, I stopped it.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Now it's going again.
Okay, good. Now we've seen all of Turtle Pond, Turtle Beach, this whole part. We've gone around this whole area. We've seen all the turtles. We didn't see as many different species as we saw last time because apparently the only ones that were hungry was the ones that was underneath the dock. But it's just such a cool place. I mean, if you just small and it's just unique. It's completely unique to be able to have every full species of Florida turtle in an urban setting. I mean, Almerton Road is right over here, so we're basically in the city, but yet we are surrounded in this little enclave of nature here. It's just really incredible, and to be able to keep all these turtles in this area is really fascinating. It's unique. It's completely unique. So from Largo, we decided to stay home this weekend. We are shutting off.